this audience. A little bit Lolita. Omelette, the foodwar, appreciate you bringing it to a gig, thank you very much. Oh, this is so wonderful, thank you for being here. In this gorgeous venue, gorgeous. You look fabulous. And I'm thrilled to be here. I'm thrilled to be performing with my beautiful band, my Pearlettes, making an effort for you. My sister and my mum are here. And I know what Hannah's thinking. She's thinking, you loved getting your kit off when you were little, and now you're doing it on stage. It's perfect, you've got a reason to. Literally, I'd walk around naked the whole time playing Dusty Springfield like that. And now look at me, I can have costume changes and everything, Han. With my own songs. How is everyone today? I feel like we all need a dance. That's not going to happen just yet, but it will. But yeah, it's You what?
We love you!
Oh, I love you too. But I had to put this song in because I don't know. You what? You're from London.
Mexico!
Thank you, babes.
Mexico!
Can't love me that much. It's not fucking sold out tonight, is it? Alright, we're going to do a song. I don't know who came here with lovers, ex-lovers.
Yeah!
Ex-lovers, just got a big thing. Oh, you like the song? Alright, you're going to have to sing this with me, okay?
When I feel the same, baby, float like balloons.